and welcome to Forex Rock Weekly Qigong. So we're going to do exercise about stress today, and so I've got 4 very simple exercises to help you with stress. Yeah. Cheers. We just bow into the class, put your hands on the side of your body, roll back onto your thumbs. Left hand underneath, right hand on top, 2 thumbs together. Gong. Make a fist with the left hand, come with your right. Bring it towards your heart, and then down to your physical center. Perfect. Step to the side. So the first exercise we're going to do is called Sage Presents Peach, and this exercise is famous for taking away stress and strain out of the body. Simple exercise. There's a foot movement and a hand movement. So we think of the foot movement first. You rock back onto your heel, cross the other heel, then come forward in your toe. Back to your heel, forward in your toe. And that's the foot movement from side to side. The hand movement, the hand palm faces up and the other one facing towards the ground. It's like holding the peach. It's called Sage Present Peach, or holding the peach in your hand. You rock back onto your heels to the other heel, the hand comes up past your tummy, and it comes out over the top, and you're holding the peach on the other side. Rock back on the heels and come to the other side. And their body's facing the same way that I'm presenting the peach. I rock back into the center, and then I rock back to the side. Now, the breathing for this, you breathe in when you come back, and you breathe out when you go forward. Breathe in when you rock back. Breathe out when you go forward. Breathing this long, slow, quiet breath. And it's almost like, think of you're giving the stress away. You're giving the stress away out of your body because you don't want it anymore. The exercise is good for the heart. It's good for the spleen in the stomach as well. It's good for anybody that does intellectual work. It's a good exercise to do before you go to sleep at night time to take the stress out of your body and take the stress out of your mind as well. Breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Do one more each side. This next exercise is called Dragon Emerges from the Sea. It's also from the Xiao Taiji Qigong system. So you're going to turn your palms over and you make 2 fists and you pull them back and put them on your hips. Yeah? And we're going to do the right side first on Marie. The hand comes forward and the fist stops in the center of your body with the hole at the top of the hole of the fist at the top. It's like holding a jug and you dip it into the center, and it's like tipping the water out of the bucket. Comes forward, the hand comes back, the other one goes forward, holding the side of the jug, scoop it into the bucket, tip it out of the bucket. Go forward, scoop it into the bucket, turn it out of the bucket. Good. Breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Last one. Push both hands, push the opportunity to the lower dantian. Next exercise, we're going to go to the 5-element Qigong system, and this is the metal exercise. Bring your thumb and your index finger together. Breathing in and breathing out. Now we're using this exercise today because it's very good exercise for getting rid of stress out of the body. Helps to calm the nerves, helps to calm the mind. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Do one more. The last exercise we're going to do is called Water Rises to the Skies from the Long Life Qigong system. This is a very good exercise to calm the heart as well, calm the mind, and helps to de-stress the body. You bring your hands up. We're going to go to the right side first, then bring them right to the top. Then rotate, turn to the right. Then go down the right side. You bend right down. And it feels like you're scooping water with your hand, and you scoop the water up. And you watch your hand with your head. You put your head back, and you bend backwards. And then you turn to the front, you turn your hand around, and you bring the palm down the front. Good. Both hands up. Rotate from the hips. Go down. Scooping the water again. It's appropriate being at the sea doing this, the beach. And bring your hand down. And you breathe when you come up. You breathe when you go down. You breathe when you come up. And you breathe when you bring the hands back down. Last one. Very good. So you notice that I'm doing these 4 exercises, how quiet you feel, how quiet my mind is, how quiet my heart is. And all the stress is just sort of dissolved through my body, and my body now is very peaceful and very still. A great set of exercises. Cheers. If you have any questions, please ask about these exercises. Cool. Cheers. And we'll see you next week. Cheers. Bye-bye.